In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add gallery in fields in Framer. We'll set up a gallery field in your Framer CMS so each item in a collection can hold multiple images. Start by opening your project in Framer and head to the CMS panel from the left sidebar. This is where all your collections and their fields live. Open Collections, then pick the collection you want to update. Once you're inside, switch to the Fields tab to see the existing structure. You're going to add a new field. Look for the area where field types can be selected. If you see a placeholder that reads No Items, click it to open the field type picker. From the list, choose Gallery. The gallery type is designed for multiple images, so it's perfect for product photos, case studies, or any visual showcase. When a confirmation appears, select Yes to apply the gallery type and continue. Name the field clearly so editors understand what it's for. Gallery, Images, or Media Gallery are straightforward choices. If you're prompted to confirm or save, click through the highlights until the field is added. You may see no items appear again briefly if the picker closes. Simply click it once more to confirm that gallery remains selected, and finalize with Save or Create if shown. Back in the Fields list, check that your new gallery field is visible alongside existing fields like Title. Open the Title field briefly to confirm it's still set as the primary display field for your collection. You're not changing it, just making sure the collection's identity remains clear. Then, return to the Fields view and verify the gallery field is in place. If there is a default value area for the gallery that shows no items, that's normal. Galleries are typically filled per item later in the CMS, so you can leave that as is. At this point, your collection is ready for images. When you add or edit an item in this collection, you'll see the gallery field and can upload or drag in multiple images in the order you want. Keep your file names clean and add alt text in the item editor for accessibility and SEO. If you plan to surface these images on a page, connect a CMS connected gallery or image stack component to this field in the canvas later